OCuSOFT Lid Scrub Plus Swabstix is an extra strength eyelid cleanser that effectively relieves irritation by removing oil, debris, pollen, and other contaminants from the eyelids and eyelashes. The convenient combination eyelid cleanser and applicator in one provides easy use for in-office debridement. Open the OCuSOFT Lid Scrub Plus Swabstix wrapper at the end labeled Top. Gently remove the OCuSOFT Lid Scrub Plus Swabstix from the wrapper by pulling it out upwards through the top. There may be some liquid in the bottom. Apply to patient's eyebrows, closed eyelids and eyelashes with side-to-side strokes. Rinse eye area with OCuSOFT eye wash or saline wipes. Repeat for the other eyelid. Dispose of the Swabstix after use. OCuSOFT Lid Scrub Plus Swabstix are for external use only, so avoid direct contact with the eye. For best results, continue follow-up care at home for 2 weeks with OCuSOFT Lid Scrub Plus Eyelid Cleanser as part of an ongoing eyelid hygiene regimen.